What's up everybody, this is Razor Blake here and we are back for the part 2 of the PC build that we were supposed to do like I think 3 weeks ago, right? So I wanted to build this alone, but I think like I needed some help, right? Because it's been a long time I haven't been building a PC, so I think it's time. So I invited one of my friend. He's a musician and he's an amazing gamer. And welcome, my friend Dio is here. What's up, man?
Hello, what's up? What's up, man?
What's up? All right, so Dio is here. Dio is gonna help me to like set up the entire build. And আমরা আজকে we're just gonna have some fun. Let's roll.
Let's do it.
আমরা তাহলে এটা দিয়ে শুরু করি. We have one more motherboard, which is this one. This one is the we actually reviewed this one. But আমাদের কাছে মনে হচ্ছে যে this one is a full size, right?
Yeah, it's a full size ATX
full
motherboard.
size ATX motherboard. And এইটার জন্য full size ভালো হবে, but এইটা সাদা.
Yeah, the
remember
color
that
is
white,
really
white build?
clashing,
It
yeah.
is total white. I think we should go for the black, right?
Yeah, but I think for this black build,
I think everything is just black. Because আমরা ফার্স্টে যেটা করব সেটা হচ্ছে যে মাদারবোর্ডের মধ্যে we are gonna set up everything. So this is the motherboard. Motherboarder মধ্যেই আমরা পুরো জিনিসটা বিল্ড করব, right? That should be.
Yeah, that should be enough. Yeah. So we'll start the build with this. We are gonna use this box as a non-static surface to start building. So let's open this baby up, and she is a beauty. So let's take her out of the box. So a lot of people don't know this, but A-Bacta is actually not very ideal for building because etar bhitorer partটা is anti-static, but the বাইরের part is not. So we're gonna keep this to the side. Yeah.
জানতাম না এটা.
Yeah. It's a cool little thing I learned. So we're gonna start.
ফার্স্টে কি আমরা এটা খুলবো? আমার খুব ইচ্ছা করতেছে এটা কাটতে.
Go for it. Go for it.
আচ্ছা, নাইফটা কোথায়? Where the unboxing time? Razor Blake with razor sharp knife. Factory sealed. Okay. Let's go for it. Oh, satisfaction. Sorry. This one processes everything, and I think this one goes here, right?
Core i7 12700KF processor. So you see how these have the little corners. So we're gonna match that up with the corner. So this part should pop off. There we go. And then just stick it down here.
Oh, that's so cool.
There we go.
আচ্ছা, এটা আমাদেরকে ফ্রি দিছে.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know, right?
There we go.
NVME M.2.
NVMe M.2
All thanks to
SSD.
Skywalker বলছে ভাই আমাদেরকে দিবেন না তো কাদেরকে দিবেন? So বলছি ঠিক আছে ভাই,
Shout out to
আপনাদেরকে দিব।
Skywalker negotiation tactics.
হ্যাঁ, আমাদেরকে দিছে এটা. Just open this. আমার বক্স খুলতে খুব ভালোই লাগে.
আমারও, dude, it's so satisfying.
আচ্ছা, এটা একটা ছোট একটা
so for
জিনিস,
this-
সাথে এটা কি? এটা কোথায় যায়? এটা এই পাশে যায়?
So this actually goes under here and here. So we're just gonna use the first one.
Hope we don't have to take it out again. So this
All
one
right.
is done. So
Yeah,
where
M.2 drive done.
Okay.
So now
Next
we go for the
box.
RAM.
Let's go.
Yeah. RGB, because it's the only way to go, guys. RGB or nothing.
Oh my
Look at
god.
that.
This is beautiful.
Look at that.
These are beautiful, man. Look at this. Man, let's open
Crazy
this.
sundar. Crisp RAM. Press it down.
Oh, nice click.
Place.
So,
Satisfying click down.
আমি দেখছি ও কিভাবে করে, আমি বলবো। আমি পারবো।
Yeah, you got it.
Timer on করে দিয়েছিল কার কতক্ষণ লাগছে ঠিক আছে like that.
There you go. There you go.
Professional.
Like that. Professional.
Professional.
That's
Thank
how
you.
It's done, boys and girls.
Thank you. Thank you. Professional.
So now we are done with building this part.
Okay, let's unbox the radiator now.
Yeah.
So this is the Mac Cooler 360 RV2. And উপরে একটা plastic peel ছিল. I opened it out. Okay.
There we go.
এইটা আমরা এত বড় সরি কেসিংটা চিন্তা করছিলাম বিকজ এটা ইয়াটা অনেক বড়. This is the entire radiator which goes up like that.
If I'm not wrong, that's a 360 millimeter radiator with triple fans, right?
Huge.
And of course,
size
RGB
is
fans go with it. RGB or nothing.
I'm down with plastics, thank you.
So much plastic waste.
What is this for? Oh, the fan on top. It just
so
goes on.
it's like a little heat sink. Enough clearance.
Huh?
Yeah, no, we're not.
But
gonna
I think this
lengthwise
this
we're not gonna get clearance.
This is supposed to support it.
Nope.
This height. Are you sure?
Yes, because we can't put this in.
Shut. Just want to see. Of course we can. I know that this one
Okay.
is supposed to go for this.
All right, then we have no problem with the fans clearing. Yeah, that should be perfect. Actually.
Directly to so.
All right, so now for this part, we are going to set up our radiator with our RGB fans from MSI. So what we want to do is we want to put these fans this way, like this, so that these fans are blowing air out of the case, so all that nasty hot air gets blown out and your case is cool and crisp. So make sure you align these. Always the right one. So now we have our fans mounted to our radiator.
Oh, so basically এই সাইড দিয়ে ঢুকাইতে হবে এটা
Yeah.
আচ্ছা ব্যাক প্যানেলটা দেখতে সেই
Yeah, man.
এখানে যে RGB কন্ট্রোলার আছে সেই লেটস গো
That's epic.